So I'm a research scientist and I work in 4 key areas. Cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary disciplines. You know, those are just a bunch of big jargonic terms. So let me give you a little intro. So cross-disciplinary is where you take an explanatory position of one discipline within the context of another. So I may discuss music using physics. You know, what is a note? You know, why does a note consist of 440 hertz, and why when we double that 440 hertz, we get an octave? So that's cross-disciplinary. Cross-disciplinary is when you take an explanatory position of one discipline within the context of another. You know, studying music using physics. Another theoretical aspect of music, per se. Like multidisciplinary is where you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration. So these are the 4 areas I work in. Cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary disciplines. So multidisciplinary is where you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration. So let's say you might be studying pathology, psychopathology, or pathophysiology. You know, when you get into, specifically when you look